Hi everyone, I'm Pete Delanty, Chief Product Officer at Repsly. I'm excited to tell you about the product updates we've been building on the Repsly platform over the past few months. As always, they're designed to make you and your field teams more effective in your retail execution programs. Let's get started. First up, let's take a look at our all-new document library, one of the most requested enhancements from our customers. We spent some time last year listening to how our customers had difficulty getting the right sales and merchandising information to their teams in the field. Documents were often lost in email messages or sometimes out of sync with the latest version. With the new Repsly document library, you can give your field teams a single source of truth for planograms, sell sheets, and any other information they need when they're on a customer visit. Uploading and sharing documents right from Repsly simplifies access for reps as they get work done in the Repsly mobile app. Plus, we make it easy to attach files directly to forms and places, so there's no need to search around to find the right PDF. Your team already has everything at their fingertips. Earlier this year, we also released a major update to our analytics offerings with the launch of Insights Dashboards. With Insights Dashboards, we're making it easier for field teams and brokers to plan and forecast work, assign resources to the right territories and accounts, and coach teams to perform their best. Right out of the box, you can view pre-built dashboards of the most common performance metrics for your retail execution programs, like team activity trends, rep scorecards, and even slice and dice photos with our photo gallery reports. All the dashboards have built-in slicing and dicing features where you can drill down on sales territories, individual places, or even individual reps to see what the performance has been in the field or actions that have been taken. You can even use the slicing and dicing on the photo gallery, where you can drill down to a specific area and look for photo tags, for example, out of stocks, and find only those photos of where you've had out of stocks on shelf and drill in on those places. For teams that want to go a step further, we make it easy to configure the dashboards to meet your unique business needs, or work with our retail analytics experts to extend the platform and design your own set of KPIs and dashboard reports. We've already been amazed to see how our customers are making our Insights dashboards part of their performance measurement and decision-making strategy. And stay tuned, because we'll be adding more KPIs and dashboards in the months ahead. We also updated and refreshed our out-of-the-box retail sales reporting dashboards, making it easier for customers to review account performance and long-term trends, looking at their store-level and item-level retail point-of-sale data. Those are just some of the exciting enhancements we launched in Q1 of 2021, and we look forward to sharing more updates soon. If you'd like to learn more about any of our releases or enhancements, please subscribe to our blog. Thank you.